Things needed to trigger rooting. 1. Plastic bag for ice candy. Choose easy to open. I recommend 1 1/2 inch diameter. 2. Tissue paper. Cut lengthwise at least 1 inch diameter. 3. Water. 4. Scissor. 5. Cutter/blade/scalpel. Fold the tissue paper and cut into smaller pieces. Plastic bag for ice candy. Choose easy to open. I recommend 1 1/2 inch diameter. Fill the ice candy bag with clean water until full and set aside.
Okay, ganyan. Ilagay muna natin dyan. Ito na yung tinatawag nating subject. Okay? So, pamagitan na blade.
Steps in triggering rooting stage. 1.
Sugatan natin
Find a
yung
mature
bahagya.
stem.
Okay?
A maximum of 3
Yan,
nodes
siguro
from the
mga
tip of the
half
stem is
centimeter.
suggested.
Right?
2.
Pero hindi
Using a
dapat
cutter, cut about half to 1 centimeter along the stem
Yan,
towards the tip of the stem.
dahan-dahan, kay baka ay
Be careful not to hurt
masugatan.
yourself.
Okay? Konting rocking motion. Chug, 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 chug. Okay. So, pagkatapos nyan, ito naman ang ating isusunod. Tissue paper. Okay? Siya ngayon
3.
ang babalutin
Cover the cut
natin
with the tissue
doon sa
paper having a
kanyang
protruding
sugat.
ends long enough to touch the source of water while dipped in the ice candy bag.
Okay, ganyan lang. Para dito, dadaloy ang tubig. Pagkatapos niyan, saka mo naman siya, ilalagay ngayon ang tubig.
4. Place the ice candy bag with water.
Ang ice na may tubig. Ito yung sasabi ko. Okay. So, pamilitan yan. Kailangan mo. Yan.
After about 3 weeks depending on the Hoya species, roots will come out. It is now ready to be separated from the mother plant. The clear plastic bag will serve as the ICU while recuperating from the fresh cut for 1 or 2 weeks. Rooted stem.